Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change iPhone theme to pink. To change your iPhone's theme to pink, you can customize your wallpaper, use color filters. Here's how to do it. First method, change wallpaper. Set a pink wallpaper. Go to Settings, Wallpaper, swipe to the right, to choose a new wallpaper. Tap the plus button. Now, scroll down, then choose Colors, or choose a photo from your library that is predominantly pink. Tap on the pink color, tap Add, and choose whether to set it as your home screen or lock screen. Just tap Set as Wallpaper Pair for both. Last method, use color filters for accessibility. If you want to add a pink tint to the entire display, go to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size, Color Filters. Toggle color filters on, then choose Hue and adjust the sliders to achieve a pink tint. By following these steps, you can create a pink themed aesthetic for your iPhone. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.